What is going on, crypto degens? This is my first attempt at trying to make somewhat of a tutorial on how to trade meme coins, how to get involved in the XRPL meme coin mania going on right now, because it's really kicking off right now. So, without further ado, one of the first things you're going to need to do is go to firstledger.net. Okay, so firstledger.net, it's going to facilitate you being able to access all these really cool coins that are coming on the market right now. So firstledger.net, I'll go ahead and share my screen so you guys can see it. Let's see here. Okay. Firstledger.net, here we are. Gonna go ahead and just go to the top. So this is what it's going to look like for you. It's also very mobile friendly, so you can get on your phone and do everything that you need to do to get up and started. I said first thing was First Ledger, but actually the first thing you need is XRP. Keep in mind you're trading within the XRPL ledger, so everything's going to run via XRP. So you're going to need some XRP. Get it from an exchange, Uphold, Coinbase, wherever you get your XRP, get some. And then after, you can go ahead, come to First Ledger, and you're going to need Telegram. Okay. Now, I understand if you don't like Telegram, if you're not a big fan. I wasn't either. But to be honest, I think the devs did something really intelligent here, incorporating Telegram into their website. And I'll tell you why. Telegram, one, you get access to a bunch of different communities they're slowly being created with all these meme coins, and two, it's a cool way to incorporate bots and other things like this. So again, download Telegram. You're going to need Telegram to access your wallet. I believe that's how it is. So you're going to come here. If you don't have an account, I imagine it'll ask you to put in your Telegram, and then you'll get access to a wallet. Once you have your wallet, you can go ahead and send XRP from your existing XRP wallet or your existing exchange that you have XRP in, and deposit XRP into this wallet. Full disclosure, I'm going to show my wallet here of what I have. So it's going to look something like this. You're going to have your XRP here. You're probably not going to have any tokens here. So once you have that, now you're ready to trade and buy some meme coins. So if you scroll down, you'll see some of the tokens here. Now, these are currently being sorted by highest market cap, just like you would see them on CoinMarketCap, the highest at the top, Bitcoin, ETH, so on and so forth. Same thing here right now. There's other ways you can sort it. So Goat, Scrap, Buzz, Swepe, Drop. These are some of the top 5 meme coins that have, the community has really stuck to them and they've kind of come to the top. BERT is another really good one that kind of popped off today. So you can go ahead and buy these directly on here. So let's say you wanted to buy Drop. You'd click on Drop, pulls up the chart. Here's a little bit of information on the actual token. So you got the price, market cap, liquidity, dev balance. This is super important. Tells you how much, especially with a lot of these early projects, you want to see how much the dev allocation is. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll usually see a description and some of the tokenomics on there as well. Super important before you buy anything. Please do your own research. This is not financial advice. And it's pretty easy. Pretty much just put one or whatever amount of XRP you want to purchase. Hit the buy button. It looks like I don't have enough, but hit the buy button. Your wallet's going to pop up. Hit buy on the wallet, and that's it. You're done. You'll see the transaction go. It's way faster. If you're used to trading on MetaMask, it's way faster than MetaMask. You don't have to sign off the transaction every single time and kind of flip-flop. It's wicked fast. Not to mention, the XRPL is already extremely quick. So, and the fees, you don't need to pay $25 in, ETH fees just to get a meme token or an NFT. So this is huge. We are so early. I think this website's been up for the last 5 days only, and a ton of communities are starting to build. The core of the meme culture of XRPL is starting to be nurtured. And if you guys can get in, it's definitely going to be rewarding. And it's nice to finally see the community be excited about something for the first time in a long time. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any more questions or any other videos you'd like me to do, please let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.